Hoş geldiniz. I'm sorry that my Turkish is not so good, so I'll have to give my presentation in English. Welcome to the conference and thank you for being here. Today I would like to discuss different industry applications of machine learning and artificial intelligence. So let's start with a very simple question. Can you predict the future? Who can predict the future? Okay, nobody. Let's assume we're at a reception. Everyone is holding a glass of water or champagne or some other drink, and then you see that one of your neighbors lets a glass slip. And the interesting thing is, if you look around yourself, the people around you, most of them will look a little bit shocked. Why? Because they predict that the glass is going to break when it hits the ground. And they predict that before the glass even hits the ground. How can they do that? Well, in the past, they have observed a lot of glasses fall when they grew up as kids. Maybe they dropped the glass every once in a while. And they learned. They learned that when glasses fall, they can break. And they learned certain patterns. For example, whether the glass breaks or not depends on how high does it fall, like from here or from there. How hard is the ground? Is it a hard stone floor? Is it a soft carpet? Also, how thick is the glass? Is it a very thin champagne glass? Maybe it's more likely to break. Is it a very thick water glass? Maybe it's more stable. So basically, from the experience, from the observations in the past, we have learned to predict when a glass is likely to break and when not. So basically, from the data of the past, we have generated a model of when glasses break and when they don't break. This is also called pattern recognition. And if machines do that, you can call that machine learning. You have data from the past, you try to find patterns to understand why certain things happen or don't happen, and then you also try to predict them.